with our patient Gigi here right now, and she's here with her regular maintenance. So before the holidays, she wants to get a little plumper lips, so that's what we're gonna do, but still maintaining it to look natural. And that's what we do here at Barrett. So here we go. So here we are, number 2 collagen induction therapy with Evo Pen and PRP with our beautiful Gigi. She's seen amazing results from the first one. Texture, pore size, and even color has improved. So here we go again for the second one.
We just set up the pen, and now I'm just going to massage the numbing cream into the skin. It just helps to activate it a bit more.
So we're done with the microneedling itself. I've already infused her PRP, but I'm adding a little bit more on top right before we put her under lights dim. Your skin actually feels smoother.